Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'll be showing you how to install WhatsApp on your Samsung Galaxy smartwatch. Now it doesn't really matter the version, and of course all you gotta do is just follow along. All right, so the first thing you gotta do guys, in order to get the WhatsApp, is to make sure that you have WhatsApp already on your phone. Now to get it over here, make sure you're connected to the internet. So of course, you're gonna make sure that the Wi-Fi is on and it's connected. Next, you're gonna go down to the apps as you saw just now, and you're gonna scroll, and you're gonna look for the Play Store. That's for the watch, which is right here. Then you're gonna tap. All right. So once you're here, just give it some little time to load. Then of course, if you look right here, you notice it shows WhatsApp. All right, you can go ahead and tap, or if you do not see it, go ahead and hit search and type in WhatsApp. All right, so as you can see here, it finds the WhatsApp um, app. So simply tap to install. And as you can see here, it's doing its thing. All right, guys, so once it has done its thing, you can find the app usually right here in your main apps. So as you can see there, that's the WhatsApp. I'm gonna go ahead and launch. All right, so next it will tell you to check your phone. And as you can see here, it is going ahead to make the connection. So it says here, use WhatsApp with Wear OS. So I'm going to hit next on the phone. And here it gives me a code. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to enter the code. Or should I say I'm going to confirm the code. Make sure it's correct. Then I'm going to hit confirm. So it says confirming on the other device. I'm going to pair on the other device. And it says loading chats. And it gives you the warning that it's encrypted. All right, so it's doing its thing. It's loading up the chats. All right, so there you go. And it just gives here, it says just a warning or notification about business accounts. I'm gonna hit dismiss. All right, so there you go. And it's showing you all of your messages, and they're all there, so you can actually open them up and see them on your watch now. All right, so that's how to install WhatsApp on your device. Do hope this was useful, and see you in the next one, guys. Bye.